Wait a second, let me catch my breath. Remind me how it feels to hear your voice. Your lips are moving, I can hear it.
Karena kau tuh di sini nunggu lama, kau sempat ngajak kelompok datang bersama. Terasa